Welcome. This is TBI Journey, where in 2015 I received my third brain injury, and this is step by step how I put my life back together. Starting out with clean hands in this video, it's always a good idea to wash your hands before you start any kind of cooking to make sure that there's no spreading of bacteria or germs. I would like to thank DTD for this recipe and the wonderful dinner that I had. There's a link that's coming out right now to the video that she created if you choose to follow along with that one. After you've seasoned your water to your liking, because it's the only time that you're actually going to get any seasoning in the pasta, we're going to go ahead and put the pasta on to boil. I chose to use bow tie noodles in this recipe. She did not. It was recommended that there's a possibility bow tie noodles would make the recipe better. I'm still working out how to do these close-ups, so here I am using my hands to just plop some of that bow tie pasta into that boiling water. And since I'm the only one eating this, it doesn't matter the fact that I touched it. I was playing around inside of my refrigerator and found this frozen barbecue chicken that I did this summer, so I just shredded it up and threw it into the pan. I actually really enjoy the coloring on this. I think that the caramelization on the edges kicked up the flavor just a little bit. I do regret not cooking it on the grill longer though. I chose to use an Italian dressing and a cream of chicken soup to make my sauce. You could use what she used also if you would like. I actually liked using the Italian packet that I put into here. I think it makes it look so pretty. It looks very, very low-key Mediterranean. So I'm here sticking it on my pasta. I had intended to do veggies, but the veggies that I had were out. So sadly, this is my dinner. I was kind of disappointed. For anyone that would like to know, yes, I am absolutely going to put this in my rotation. It was so good. In this part right here, I made some really quick lunches that I could just pack up while I was cooking all of that. I will roll that video out soon, so stay tuned. So I would also like to invite everyone to like, subscribe, and share. That's it for this video. We're going to send it off to the editing board. And if you like videos like this one, click here. If you like content like this, click here. Thank you for your most valued currency, your time. Bye.